Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands-on Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Today's art and craft video is creating a Santa Claus reindeer with a bottle. Merry Christmas! Enjoy the video! Santa Claus reindeers help Santa Claus to deliver gifts to children on Christmas Eve. Reindeers are pulling the sleigh through the night sky. Santa Claus reindeers are Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, Rudolph, and Olive. Santa Claus reindeer are mythical creatures who pull Santa's sleigh and help him deliver Christmas gifts to all the children in the world. Merry Christmas and have a great day! Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands-on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching!